Musketeer hot water systems. So in the Musketeers, we have, or if you got this as well, the 28-litre stainless steel tank by Swift. So that works off electric and it also works off gas. We do not have anodes. So the beauty of that is that tank there, you leave it, you forget it. The only thing you need to know is how you turn it on. So, because we have two ways, we have electric and gas. Electric is plugged into a caravan park. Gas is free camping. So if you're not plugged into power, we're going to use gas. If we're plugged into power, we're going to use electric. So, how we use it? The first thing we do, because it's a holding tank, we want to make sure that there is water in that tank. So, we turn the pump on. Done. You know that, there's another tutorial on that. We come to the hot tap in the kitchen, in the bathroom, wherever you want. You go to hot, you turn it on, water comes out. If water comes out, that means there is water in that tank. That's the holding tank. And then we're free to turn it on. So once we've done those steps, we can now turn it on. So the 240, how we turn the 240 on is it's just a switch. You'll see it says hot water electric. Flick that on. That is on now, 240. That's going to take roughly 45 minutes to an hour to heat up. So what you have there, 30 minutes for showers, normally is what we find, 20 minutes, somewhere there. You only get 7 minutes if you're good with the water. My wife gets 5, I get 7. She has scorching showers. But that's the sort of time frame you're looking at, all right, for actually using the hot water. Then you got to wait to heat it up again. So electric, there is no indication with electric of when it's hot. The only indication is you come to the tap, you turn it on, whoop, and that is hot. All right. The gas. Now with the gas, it is this one here. You'll see this. I've flicked that on. You see this light's now flashing. All right. That light is an indication of what the system's doing. So when that light goes solid, it means the system is working and you'll hear the flame igniting. All right, it's not going to because I don't have gas in this van, but that's a mistake. Not to worry, it will go solid. When that light goes off, okay, that means the system is at temperature. So it's important to see that light indicates the flame, it does not indicate the system. So if you've been using 240, you get free camping an hour later and that system's already hot, that light's not even going to come on. All right, so it's important to know that. So the other thing it's going to have is a flashing light a lot. All right, and this will eventually go to it. That means we're out of gas or there's a fault in that hot water service. All right, so the normal one, the flash like it is now, means it's igniting. Solid light means it's on. No light means it's at temperature or the switch isn't turned on. And this one here that you can see up there, the flashing a lot means you're probably out of gas. Go switch your bottles over.